Hey guys, today I want to show you these RFID blockers. These are designed to go in your wallet between your credit cards to keep people from reading your credit card information with a reader coming up behind you or wherever and reading them. So let's take a closer look at how these things work. Okay, so let's open these things up. See, they come in individual cards like this, all wrapped up in plastic. Here's a wallet. These are designed to, like, here's your credit card. It would be designed to go there, and your credit card would go there. And it would be closed like this, and they couldn't read your information. If you want to be really secure, you can actually put one on each side of it. That way, if you have a thinner wallet, it's not going to be able to be read through that. So these are really good in today's day and age, where people can literally walk up behind you with an RFID scanner and pop your information right off your cards in your wallet. Okay, so right now I've got my card. I am sandwiching it between two of these RFID blockers, and we're going to go check this out at the gas station RFID reader. Well, as you can see here, no matter how I hold it or what angle I put it towards that reader, it does not read that credit card when those blockers are up there. Well, I hope my video helped you out, and thanks for watching.